Hello and welcome back to Social Studies. This is our first grade map unit and we're on lesson 14. Our essential question, what is a map? Grab your map packet, book 2. When you want to go somewhere that you've never been before, you can use a map. For instance, if you want to visit another favorite place of mine here in Washington, Wrights Park, you could use a map. Below, you can see how you and your family could find your way from JBLM to Wrights Park. Let's zoom in and take a closer look. From JBLM, you need to take Interstate 5 north. Stay on I-5 north, and as you get near the Tacoma Mall, you will be taking the City Center exit. Follow City Center to Highway 705. Follow Highway 705 and take the South Stadium Way exit. Make a left on South 4th Street. Follow 4th Street up to G Street. You can park on G Street. On the G Street side of Wright Park, there is a Botanical Conservatory. This conservatory has some very unusual plants that you would normally never ever get to see. This is worth a visit. Bring your camera to Wright Park. This park has so many beautiful locations for pictures. There is a pond with a bridge and fountain. They have a spot for playing horseshoes, basketball, croquet, and a water park too. They have a very large variety of trees, and most have signs to identify the kind of tree each one is. It's a pretty cool park. Now we're going to open our math workbook to this page with the 4 different maps. Let's talk about each kind of map. Start with the school map. Circled it here. A school map. This map shows where each classroom in the building is, as well as the library, computer lab, and playground. Town map. The town map. This map shows what is in your town that you live in. You could find a library, city hall, and other different buildings that are important to you. The United States map. This map shows all the states in our whole country. I can look on this map to see what states I would pass through as I drive to California. And our world map. This map shows all of the countries in our world. I can use this map to see what countries are near France. The directions for this page say, look at the maps. Choose the map you would use for each need. Write the kind of map in the blank. Now let's choose the maps we would use to answer the questions on this page in our workbooks. I will help you with the first question. So we're looking at number 1. Which map would help me with number 1? I want to find what is north of my state. I need a blank map. School map? I won't find that on a school map. I won't find that on a map of my town either, because I'm looking for more than just where I live. So this leaves me with the United States map or a world map. The world map doesn't show my state, so that won't help me. I'm choosing the United States map because I know I could look on that to see what states I would drive through. on my way from Washington to California. So let's write that on number 1. I need a United States map. Write that on your page now. Now, I will read the rest of the questions to you. I want you to write the answers. Your remaining choices are map of our school, town map, world map. Let's read number 2. I want to find the school nurse's office. I need a blank map. I want to find the school nurse's office. Do I want a map of our school, a town map, or a world map? Please write your choice for number 2. Let's read number 3. I want to find City Hall. I need a blank map. Do I need a map of our school, a town map, or a world map? Let's read number 4. I want to find Africa, where elephants live. I need a blank map. Do I need a map of our school, a town map, or a world map? Write your choice for number 4. I'm going to help you start your homework. Today's homework is this page in your workbook, My Map Parts. You're going to put your name and today's date. Starting with that big line under which you see the word title, what is your map about? Some ideas of what kind of map you could draw. You could make a map of a park that's near your home, a map of your neighborhood, a map of your bedroom. You decide, but write what the map is on top of the line as your title. What is the map about? On top of the rectangle, please write map key. I'll do that too. Right here, map key. This is where you will put your symbols. On the line in the bottom corner, make a compass rose. We're going to do a simplified compass rose. So I'm going to draw one for you as well. First, I make my north and south line and put south on the bottom S and north on the top N. Can you do that too? Now I'll make my east and west line. East, west. There you go. That's all it takes to make a compass rose on your map. Now your homework. Your homework for today's social studies lesson is to finish making your map. Again, you choose what your map is of, but make sure that there's several things in your map key and on your map. Good luck with that. Can't wait to see you again.